This season, the trends are swinging both ways. We can go very minimal with hardly any makeup, or we can jazz it up a bit and go a little bit deeper in the eye and in the lip. And so right now, today, this moment, we're going to do more of the eyes and the lips. This year, the trend is minimal makeup, playing up eyes, and bringing out big, beautiful, bold lips. And today we're going to do eyes and lips. We're going to put those two in one. So let's get started. I am super excited about glitter. Now, glitter's had a long history of being like all in your face or very teeny tiny or none at all. And right now it's kind of using glitter minimally, which is kind of nice because it's the star of the show, but it isn't the show. And I like it. I like it a lot. And we're going to start there. I've already done my foundation and my foundation and brows. And so this is our glitter. And this is a beautiful kind of a goldy, brassy deliciousness. I'm going to use our concealer brush, which you can just use the wand that it comes with. But I like this because it gives you a little bit more control. And I'm going to show you where to put it so that it's not all over your face and too much. We don't want too much. We just want pretty. So it's just straight in the middle. And I like to anchor my pinky down right here. And you're just going to put it right in that lash line. And it can be a titch hider. And that's pretty much it. I am going to go into the corner of my eye because it's cool. All the cool kids are doing it. So that's you. Here we go. And you're going to put it here. Again, I'm kind of anchoring my hand down onto my here cheek. And then here. Now, this looks pretty minimal. And so if I want to punch this up a little bit later, I totally can with my awesome concealer brush, which gives me lots of control. But again, you can use the wand if you want to just go crazy. Which sometimes I do. I'm like, oh, great. And that's where we're going to start right there. So now I'm going to go into the eyeshadows, and I'm going to start with my dark color. And you can see here, I've got these three colors. Usually I like to start with the wash, the light one, but now I'm going to do the dark one so we can use these colors to blend. So I'm going to go a little bit above my crease, and this will bring the drop that we're looking for. A little bit above, right there. And I've got my angled brush. Just like that. It looks insane right now, but it won't. I promise. Again, a little above the crease. And I love the matte colors. Really does great job for blending. Now I'm going to go in with my thicker brush with this medium color. And I'm going to kind of take it in and go up. Like that. And I like to go a little bit lighter. So then I'm like, oh, you know what? I can punch that up a little bit more. Let's go darker. Down, all the way down into here. And on that crease and up. Again, I look like an insane person. This will not be forever. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with my blending brush. And I'm going to load it up here, and then I'm going to go into this crease, and blend. Now, if you want, you can always go bigger and more with this look. And I do. I want to go bigger and I want to go more. But you see, when you blend, it kind of just marries all these really pretty colors together and just makes it kind of a big smoky eye going in opposite direction, which is super fun and really cool. Yes, love, love, love. Want more. Want more. More. I'm going to do the little more glitter. Bring that in. You can see it's kind of just a little tease down here doing its thing. Oh. And putting this in the corner really does kind of pop and make a highlight there, which is great. Okay, so now with all of that, you go back in with this brush here. and kind of just clean it up just a bit. Giving that highlight right below the brow, right here. Blending this in here. Oh yeah. Now that I'm done putting my glitter on and getting my shadow on, I'm going to go ahead and use my eyeliner. And this is the felt tip. And we're just going to put it in right kind of where the glitter ends and bring out just a touch really into that lash line. Really blending into those lashes, really bringing the drama. That looks awesome. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and use my lash curler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, and then I'm going to use this chocolate eyelash. I'm going to use this chocolate mascara. Love this color. It's like black and brown mixed together. And it gives a nice, rich, beautiful, delicious, could eat it off my eyelashes, chocolate color. Now, I'm going to do this in layers. I'm going to do here. Then I'm going to come over here. Do this side. Let it dry for a hot second. And then come back over here. Gorge. Love it. Okay, so now that we've got the lashes on and we have the shadow on, our brows are already done, we're going to go ahead and use our color stick. And I love using the foundation brush because it gives a nice little control to it. Nice little doot. And I'm going to just kind of put it in the cheeky part and blend out just a little bit. But it's not about the cheeks, it's about the eyes, so we don't want to do the cheeks too much. The nice thing about the color stick is that you really can manipulate it anywhere you want. It's the combination of the ingredients here are really malleable and manipulatable. So if you feel like, oh, I need more, totally can put in more. Like, oh, I put too much on. You can actually kind of wipe it off with a tissue. But I just want like that little peach cheeky. Peach cheeky is what I like to say. Peach cheeky. Love that. So I'm going to use this warm brandy lip liner color, which is delicious. You'll see. Get this bow. I'm trying to make kind of a cherry red color, which I'm going to do with Cherie and this brandy. I'm going to really take it to that lip line. Blend, blend, blend. I should mention that I already put lip primer on. And that really helps this look to stay on a little bit better. And then, I know, it looks so dark. Watch that. Oh, I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. This color is so amazing. Love these two together. Everyone purchase these right now. They're amazing. Cherie and the brandy, warm brandy. Oh, look at that. I love this lip color and it looks amazing with the eyes. And together, I think I'm happy with the full package. Look at that. Now I want more cheeks. We're just going to add a little bit more cheek. Because with all these lips, they're going to have a little bit more color. Oh, there it is. When you hit it, you kind of, when you get it all together, you can feel it. Yep, that's perfect. That's just the right amount. And then, especially with these color sticks, you can always stick them with you wherever you go. So try these deeper tones for the fall and winter colors, and you will not be sad about it.